Antibody cocktail therapy is getting popular amongst COVID patients as results and data coming is encouraging. It costs 60,000 rupees. It is a combination of two monoclonal antibodies. What is this cocktail? What does it do? I'm Arun Singh. Let's start with the basics. What are monoclonal antibodies? So these are artificial antibodies which are made in a lab, and they block virus attachments and entry into human cells. I'm going to give you an example. Let's say someone has a patent to a machinery but doesn't have resources to create copies of those machineries. So what we do is we know that process, we learn that process, and in our own lab, we create copies of it and give it to the person who has patents. So that's what we do here, which means antibodies are created in a laboratory and they attack a specific virus. Hence, mono is there in the name. Let's go ahead and talk about monoclonal antibody therapy for COVID. Now, this is a cocktail of antibodies and it targets spike protein of SARS-CoV-2. Now, combination of casirivimab and imdevimab is being widely used. This was the first combination which was approved in our country. And then there's another combination as well. But this one is very popular and it costs around 60,000 to 1 lakh rupees. Now, it should be given in early stages of treatment is what the experts point out. Now, let's also look at the list of patients for which this therapy is most suited. So, one is mild to moderate cases. Second, high-risk patients, patients of 65 years of age and above, patients with comorbidities. But monoclonal antibodies, it gives antibodies to the body. Then vaccine also gives antibodies. How is it different? How is this therapy different than vaccine? So let's look at monoclonal antibody therapy versus vaccine. So number one is the therapy provides antibodies for those infected with the virus. But on the other hand, vaccine builds the immune system. It helps body to create those antibodies. Second, it actually shows immediate response. On the other hand, vaccine takes its own sweet time to build those antibodies. And of course, monoclonal antibody therapy offers antibodies. On the other hand, vaccine assists body in producing antibodies. So this is a major difference. Now we'll go into discussion and we are joined by a doctor couple. They're Pune-based doctor couple who took this therapy. And the combination that we were talking about, which is casirivimab and imdevimab, they took this combination only. And not only them, but 3 other members of their family also took this therapy. So we'll talk to them, and I want to go to Dr. Manisha first. We're joined by Dr. Manisha and Dr. Gautam. Dr. Manisha, first let's talk about the personal experience, and if you can talk with the capacity of a patient, if you can tell us what was the experience like in a capacity of a patient.
The experience what I got and my patient, my family members got, within 12 hours of the vaccine, immediately we got the result. Our symptoms totally reduced and we were totally well as a normal life. My parents are comorbid condition, 78 above age, and they were totally fine. Our lab investigations reports were totally normal. HRCT scan had no value at all. And we were very fine and very happy to take it.
Okay. Dr. Gautam, it's recommended for those who are not at the severe stage, who are in mild to moderate stage. And what would you recommend to those who have just started seeing the symptoms of COVID-19?
Definitely. If you classified mild, moderate and severe category. So we can consider as a, if COVID markers is above normal and abnormal stage, so we should recommend it. Normally, if you see first wave and second data compare, there are above 65 age and diabetic. This comorbid condition, death was almost 81% patient are died because of this above age 65 and diabetes patient. So I would recommend this cocktail antibodies for above 65 age also, and comorbid conditions. It is wonderful effect. It is time saving and quick responding. If one family suffer from COVID, at least 15 to 21 days almost into the hospitalization and management. Whereas that cost and this cost, if you compare this, within 5 to 7 days, patient back to the normal.
Right. Dr. Manisha, so we've been saying that, it's recommended for those who are in high risk category, who have comorbidities, who are older. But would you also recommend it to someone who's young and it doesn't have comorbidities?
Definitely, I would recommend, because we don't know what happens on 10th and 12th day. Few people who are very young in the second wave, they went in problem, and many 33 age people we have seen mortality in the second wave. So seeing the markers, if the CRP is raised and those people may go in problem is a query in first 2 days only. And if the symptoms are very much, if the cough is increased, secretions are increased, such patients should immediately go for it, because it stops the entry of the virus and it stops the damage and replication. So it's a wonderful game, and it is a game changer, and it has come to us. Then why not take it? Instead of suffering after 10 to 12 days and going in problem and having all financial, mental and physical loss, and the whole family is disturbed, why not to come out immediately?
Dr. Gautam, I was reading a report coming from Maharashtra where, despite of the high cost, this is in demand. So it costs from around, let's say, 60,000 to 1 lakh rupees. Why do you think this is still getting popular?
Because more cost and the comorbid and death condition, critical condition, if you compare, there are a lot of damage in Pune city and Maharashtra. A lot of youngsters died, and because of not availability of beds and critical conditions. Because of cocktail, there is a new hope now. If you recommend it from within 24 to 72 hours, maximum within 5 to 7 days, city has a wonderful results.
Dr. Manisha, are there any don'ts also? This group shouldn't go for this therapy at all?
In the don'ts, very young people who are very fine and their CRP is not at all raised, their lymphocyte neutrophil count and everything is very normal, then you could wait for it and not to go. That's very young people who are very, they don't have, and their family history, they do not have any comorbid condition. That should be seen. Those people do not need to go.
Okay, and on what basis did you decide it for your family as well? Because other than you two, 3 other members of your family also took this decision. Dr. Gautam, what was the criteria you followed there?
Yeah, from day one, this patient find symptoms of COVID, that like fever and body ache, and the collective gathering was there, and because of collective gathering we found viral load is more. Then we immediately do assessment, and some COVID markers we found CRP level raised. One of our patient age 45, 48, CRP level was 55. And then 50. And after introducing that cocktail antibodies, next second is that CRP levels get down at 8 to 9. It seems it works wonderfully.
And any therapy would have its after effects as well. Even if we go for vaccine, you can see some after effects of it. Dr. Manisha, are there any after effects of this or any side effects in few cases?
No, I have not seen and observed, and my practical experiences within 12 hours, I was quite fine. And within 4 to 5th day of the monoclonal antibody which I took, my antigen report came negative. And I was totally fine. So it was a wonderful effect which we had and my family had, and especially my parents, whose age was 75 and 78. And they have a comorbid condition. So they were totally fine. So it was a very beautiful experience which we had.
Wow, beautiful experience is what you say, because you saw a quick response of it. Dr. Gautam, I would also like to appreciate your efforts that you carried out during the pandemic. Do you want to tell us about that? You ran a helpline to help COVID patients?
Yeah, Medical Plan is a patient portal. It is a digital and analytic intelligent platform where a patient can connect to through telemedicine, and we have set up a call center with 18 doctors are following these calls, and whenever required, they connect with the experts. Whenever they want to patient shift to hospital, they can connect. Here, all data and reports get analysis, and then they can track day 5, day 7, day 9, day 11. So this assessment help patient to reduce the hospitalization and unnecessary bed panic situation avoided, and unnecessary hospitalization we avoided. This work wonderfully. We provided this service along with Maharashtra. Then 5 to 6 states already we cut a service.
Really appreciate. In the end, I also want to talk about one important aspect here. Dr. Manisha, is there any conflict with the vaccine of this therapy? If one is already vaccinated, let's say, and after that, the person has contracted COVID-19, are there any conflicts there? Are there any contraindications?
No, for this contraindication query, we did spike protein antibody test, and vaccinated patient in our own family, we found one had taken 2 vaccines, and her spike protein antibody was just 18, and my mother had more than 200 spike protein antibody. So this was a contraindication which we found that 2 people, same vaccine, same time, they have different antibody. So we needed to give them, we could not take risk in them. So we found that we have to give monoclonal, and we gave it.
Okay, thank you so very much. I really appreciate both of you joining us on this discussion. I'm Arun Singh. With this, it's a goodbye from my side. Keep watching NDTV.